Hey there, it's Adam with eWeb's communications team. I'm touring the Currin Substation, which is right in the middle of a rebuild. And this is the substation that is really at the crux of our transmission system.
Currin functions as a transmission hub for our system. So it interconnects transmission lines that run north and south to major delivery locations, to the east to our water treatment plant, and then west into our downtown core. What we'll have with the new Currin design is we can lose an entire bus and all the transmission lines and customers stay in service. We can have a single element be taken out for maintenance and no one would know driving by because everything still has power, everything is still operating as expected. So the operational flexibility, the maintenance flexibility, that's what we're gaining with this project, in addition to all the new assets and new lifespans. It feels very exciting. This is the second substation I've built from the ground up, and this one is head and shoulders more complicated. A lot more going on, a lot more exposure to everyone, and it's awesome to be able to work on such an impactful project.